GM guys, and welcome back to another video with the Bitblond. Today is going to be a very quick one, as I'm actually in a conference today, but I want to show you something, and it's a lot of things going on the crypto market today. However, I believe we're still on a bullish momentum, and I'm going to show you very quick on a chart. Before we get into any content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research as always. So first of all, let me just show you what could potentially play out. I'm gonna show you what could potentially play out. I've seen a lot of people talking about the Dogecoin ETF, and if it gets approved, could go up to $1, or some people even betting to say $5. But however, if you are a Dogecoin holder, it seems that a lot of things and development will be inside Dogecoin, as also Elon Musk is quite bullish on Doge himself. If you like to know the entire news, just go to cointelegraph.com and have a look yourself. But briefly, I can just show you that someone predicted my target for Doge is $5 after a Dogecoin ETF. I believe a huge wave of institutional money is about to flow into meme coins very soon, according to crypto elites, and asking, do you have any Doge on your portfolio? So a lot of people on X today are expecting Dogecoin to go bullish. However, let's have a look on the graph itself. Okay, on the TA side, it keeps breaking up, but I don't know if that's the best entry yet on the 4-hour time frame. If you're looking too long on the trading side, okay, let me just lower the light so you can see better. However, on a long-term token, it's a very interesting up rally going on. And if we move to the daily, attention, that's the daily. Okay, so I'm talking more on a long term than trading itself. However, it could go literally all the way to retest resistance, or even further, which is going to be more than 0.50 cents, all the way up to $1, as loads of people are betting on it. So however, if you are looking to accumulate some Doge, it might be an interesting opportunity, actually better than trading sometimes. So be careful and do your own thing. However, moving back to our Bitcoin longs and Bitcoin price predictions, I believe we're still on a breakout. I do not think it's a great entry for you if you haven't entered around 112k. I don't think it's the best entry right now. I would just wait on a best entry if you haven't entered BTC yet. So that's the currently scenario that could potentially play out and potentially retest 125k, and I believe that's what we could expect and we should wait for. As I always say, sometimes everything we have to do is waiting. Sometimes it's nothing to do on trading that much. Sometimes you just have to wait, and I'm personally just waiting to see if Bitcoin is gonna retest 125k, or if we're just gonna go and build another dip, which I thought that could happen, but it didn't. As long as it's holding to the upside since 112k, I believe we can potentially retest 125 one more time. However, guys, sometimes we have to be passionate. It's not much to be done. But also, let me show you crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles look so bullish today. That's the current scenario for memes and altcoins. BNB is up 10.7%. Pump is up 42.3%. And what else? IMX, lots of opportunities, lots of catch, but as I always say, Dogecoin is starting the big rally, as I mentioned. So if you are looking to trade or accumulate, which accumulating DCA could be actually a better strategy for you, depending on your financial life and decisions. I believe Doge is an interesting one today, also to follow with the ETF and all the momentum. However, we have a lot of opportunities, but be careful. Remember, if you are short on capital, remember to be very careful, and you don't have to catch all opportunities. Just find one or two or three that works for you and stick to it. However, I'm gonna go back to the conference, but I'll let you know defo on what I'm expecting next. Right now, I'm just waiting and being very, very cautious and patient about Bitcoin movement. And yes, that's what I'm doing today. And I'm gonna go back to the conference now. And if you are attending Blockchain Live Forum 2025, and if you wanna have a crypto coffee, I'll leave the links down below. I'll see you at the forum, and it's about to start all the crypto events in Dubai. So if you are here, just let me know. I would love to talk to you, and just say GM in person. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Cheers.